Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how we can use BARD AI to improve our productivity at the work or doing any other redundant task that we can do easily with its help. And also, we will witness how powerful NLP techniques are. This is the front page that you would see when you open it up for the first time. It looks like a chatbot with a lot of powerful features on it. Let's start with some greeting. So I'll write, "Hey Bart, how are you doing, buddy?" And after some time, we get a response from it. And we can see it has given quite a formal answer to our greeting. Now, if you see on the top right corner, there is this option of View Other Drafts. This shows us what other answers BARD would give us. Also, there are differences in responses produced with more of a sentence construction. Now let's close it and ask it can help us with the code. We can see that the response that we got is quite comprehensive. At first, it has asked us questions on what we can use, and further down it has told us what it can do, ranging from algorithmic exercises to object-oriented codes. It also tells us what kind of programming language it can help us with. Moving ahead, let us ask a difficult question and ask it to create a game for us. We can see we have got our initial codes, and also it told us what other features we can add over it to create more interesting games. Apart from this, there are some instructions also to run the game. Let's move ahead and ask it to add the features. This time we got ideas rather than the code. So ideas won't be very much helpful to us because we were looking for the answer. So let's ask it to code for us with these features. And here we have the code has included enemies, power-up, scores. Now I want it to add some more features and ask it to add bullets for Mario. And we can see how elegantly it created a bullet class and added extra lines of codes. This is something fantastic and very powerful, I would say. Now let us ask it to do some redundant tasks, and we'll ask it to add comments. So after getting the response, we can see that it has added the comments, the basic ones to understand the codes, not very extensive. Let's add GUI now to the code, and here we have it. See how easy it is to do all such things with such a powerful tool. Now time for very tiresome yet difficult task. We are asking BARD AI to convert the code to a C++ code. And what we can see, it has converted the code to a C++ code from a Python programming language. It has given some numbers on the side but don't know what it is. But we have our code. It's time to appreciate BARD AI for the good job. So we have been asking it to write some codes. Now let's have some fun with it and ask who is better, if it is ChatGPT or BARD. What we receive is another comprehensive response and a comparison chart. From the response we can see BARD is excellent at a lot of things, and it has also pointed out what are the areas of the differences. Moving ahead, let us ask about the architecture. It has given us the answer as the transformer networks. Let's ask him to draw the architecture now. And we can see it has given us the basic diagram, and also we have the supporting text for the diagram for better understanding of the architecture. Let's take a step ahead and ask the architectural differences between BARD and ChatGPT. After getting the response, we can see it has pointed out exactly where the difference lies and created a table for us for our comparison. So let's say bye-bye to him. We saw today that how powerful BARD AI can be. It can not only help us with a lot of repetitive tasks, but it can also help us with a theoretical understanding of the concept. If we utilize it at full potential, it is going to be tremendous help for us. So this is how we use BARD AI to improve the productivity at work and perform the redundant task very easily. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you. We'll meet again.